Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming the July 2019 Petit Vour unboxing, even though I still have yet to edit and upload the June one. I look a hot mess. I'm recovering from a chin demon. I'm hardly wearing any makeup and I don't feel that great. And it's monsoning outside. Thought let's just film a video anyway to perk my spirits up a little bit. So I'm filming in my bedroom at the moment, so that's why it's a little different. The lighting might be different. It's definitely different. Our bedroom isn't very well lit, but we mostly just sleep in here, so that's usually fine. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what is in the Petit Vour box for July. I did not go online and peek this month. I usually do. So here we go. Cute little box, and we have the card, which has a really pretty doodle on it, which is by, usually says what artist, at Zoe.Wadars, Zoe.Wodarz. If you're interested in more doodles from this artist, I think this is really cute actually. Kind of like little cacti and bows, and it's just an assortment of shapes. It's very cute. I like it. So let's see. The July 2019 beauty box. This summer regimen will give you the glow of your dreams naturally. Start with a vitamin C cleanse to brighten and soften, the fastest face mask to exfoliate and eliminate. Sorry, my nose is itchy. Then follow with a soothing night cream that works while you sleep. I really hope you guys can't hear the rain. It is so loud. It is pounding my house right now. Anyway, we know hot weather can be tough on your makeup, so we've included an eye primer that works double time as skincare to plump and firm the delicate skin around your eyes. So go ahead and let your skin shine. Okay, so I guess let's just go in order of how they are listed on the card. So first we have Terramere. I do not know how to pronounce that. Not sure. And this is their smudge-proof anti-aging eyeshadow base, which retails for $36. So this is probably the full-size one. And the description says, infused with hyaluronic acid, this waterproof eye primer prevents creasing while improving the skin's elasticity and minimizing the look of fine lines. Austin just got it. So this is an eyeshadow base. I typically don't wear eyeshadow unless I'm going to some sort of special event or doing something special, but I guess it'll be nice to have. Either that or I'll end up giving it away to somebody. But it looks like it is a very like fair skin tone type color, so maybe it would be nice just to kind of cover up the veins and things you can sort of see in your eye. I don't know, I'll have to give it a try, and we'll see. We'll see how that goes. It is beautiful packaging, and it seems like a high quality type product, so we will have to give that a go. I think my camera got off when I was like talking to Austin. Anyway, so next we have from Kalos. Is this it? I think that's how you say it. That's the brand name right there. If it'll focus. Come on. I don't think it's going to. Anyway, it's got like a little dash above the A. And it is the After Hours Soothing Night Cream. This sample right here is valued at $11, which this is really tiny. So it says this pH balanced night cream helps soothe irritated, stressed skin to quickly regain glow and vibrancy. I actually don't like the night cream I have right now. It's First Aid Beauty one, and it just isn't thick enough for my liking. So I'm very excited to give this a try. Oh yeah, this one feels nice and thick. I like the way this feels already. Here is the texture. As you can see, it's just kind of creamy. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how it goes. That's kind of cool. I'm glad I got that. The next is from French Girl Organics. It's the Laity Rose. No idea. Vitamin C polishing wash, and it says the sample is worth $15. I wouldn't be surprised if this was the full size. This seems like a lot of product. It's like a powder, like a really finely milled powder. And there is the name that I can't pronounce, something de rose. I'm really curious about this. Shake well, moisten dime-sized amount with water or toner to form a thin paste. Apply gently in circular motions to damp skin. Rinse with tepid water. Use 1 to 3 times per week depending on skin type. So I guess it's supposed to be exfoliating because it's made from powder. That's kind of cool. I'm really interested to see how this goes too. Although I am kind of weary of the vitamin C claim because it's like you're going to wash it right off your face anyway. So what's the point in that? But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Last product is from Ursa Major, and it is the Bright and Easy 3-minute Flash Mask. It says this sample retails for $6, and I'm a little underwhelmed with this because it's literally the size of a quarter. It's so tiny. Like, and this is worth $6. I'm highly doubting that. It says you only need 3 minutes though before rinsing it, which is interesting. And it is a gel style mask. So I really like doing face masks, so I'm kind of disappointed with how tiny this is. Last time we got a face mask in the box, I think it was the first one that I signed up for, it was a great size sample. I used it like 3 or 4 times. I really got a feel for that product. I feel like I'm going to use this once, maybe twice, and not really get a feel for this product. So we'll see how that goes. But I am glad that there was at least a face mask because I really love face masks. I know that I'll get use out of them. I'm hoping that this is a really cool product because it would be nice to kind of be able to take this traveling since it's a powder. And that way you don't have to worry about like throwing your heavy Clarisonic in if you want exfoliation. You've just got this little powder to take, and you don't even have to worry about it being a liquid, which is really nice too. So that's everything that came in the July 19 box. And I don't know. I feel like I can't really give a verdict on this box. I'm going to have to use these products to see whether I'm excited about them or not. So we'll see. We'll see. With 5 products being in last month's box, it was definitely not going to live up to that box. Although one of those products, which you will see, I will go over it in my future empties video, broke me out like crazy, given the Chin Demon as an example. And I was not a fan of it, but I will talk about that in that video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below, and otherwise I'll talk to you later.